Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels premium, works perfectly, and just makes life easier. You can tell it's made well. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
All right, you gotta check this out. People can't stop buying it. This